Hey guys, excuse the noise, there's a lot of waves coming in. So I'm calling the sawmill. I adjusted the height to 2 inches. I made a pretty nice cut. Probably don't want my coffee cup up there. Made a pretty nice cut all the way down. And then the saw ran out of oil. So I refilled it and I couldn't get it to start again. It was running fine. I refilled the oil, refilled the fuel, and then it stopped running right. It would run for 15 seconds and then it would die. So I'll have to fiddle with that over the next couple months, off and on, and get it to work again. But I mean, you can clearly see that it's a nice, straight, even cut, level with the top, although the top's not that level to begin with. And I'm very happy with it. A couple things to note. You want to clear off these little type stuff. This one especially I got hung up on. The bark too. I ended up pulling this piece of bark off because it kept snagging on the ends of the guide there. But overall, I'm very happy. I'm going to continue to use it. And I might actually have another small addition to this in the next month or so. I found another design for a simpler mill, and I think it'll work really well with this one, like work together. So I might do that one as well. But let the wind calm down. But sorry for the short one, and I apologize that I didn't actually get to show you a board. I may show you that in the future. But you guys have yourselves a good day.